Hey everyone, and welcome to today's explainer. Get ready because we're taking a complete journey into the absolute future of automated content creation. If you've ever felt totally overwhelmed by the sheer mechanics of putting a video together, well, this is absolutely for you. We're looking at a platform called InVideo AI, and we're going to break down exactly how it functions straight from our source material. Just think about that for a second. What if typing was literally the only editing skill you needed? We all know the traditional pain points of video creation, right? It takes hours, sometimes days, and let's be real, it usually involves your software crashing at least twice. It costs a fortune in editing suites, stock footage, and voice actors, and the learning curve, it is incredibly steep. But what if all those barriers just vanished, and you could generate professional content simply by typing out a description? Okay, let's dive into this. Here's our roadmap for today's explainer. 1. Meet InVideo AI. 2. Core features and workflow. 3. The pros and cons. 4. A step-by-step tutorial. And finally, 5. Fine-tuning your masterpiece. Starting with Section 1. Meet InVideo AI. Essentially, your brand new AI video co-creator. So what is it exactly? Well, InVideo AI is this super advanced cloud-based platform powered entirely by artificial intelligence. Its main job is to generate professional-grade videos just from text prompts. Our source material highlights that this is specifically designed for creators, marketers, educators, and business owners. Basically, if you want to produce really engaging content but completely lack those complex traditional editing skills, this tool steps in and handles the entire production process for you. Moving right along to Section 2, Core Features and Workflow. This is automation at its absolute finest. Honestly, think of it as hiring an entire production team all at once. The text-to-video generation and AI script writing, they act as your writer and director, transforming a simple topic into a fully fleshed-out script. Then, the AI voiceovers step right into the sound booth, providing incredibly realistic human-sounding voices. You can even clone your own voice, which is wild. For the visual side of things, automated media selection pulls totally relevant stock footage, images, and background music from massive built-in libraries like iStock and Shutterstock. And finally, the automated editing syncs the whole shebang perfectly with dynamic, auto-highlighted subtitles. So how does all of that actually come together? It basically operates on a conversational AI model. You're essentially just chatting with the software. The workflow is 4 super straightforward steps. Step 1, enter a detailed prompt. Step 2, AI processing, where the machine writes the script, picks the clips, adds the music, and records the voiceover. Step 3, review and customize, where you simply tell the AI to make specific edits. And Step 4, export your final piece in high definition. It's a completely streamlined process from start to finish. Which brings us to Section 3, the pros and cons, an honest, balanced look at the platform. So, the crucial point is really understanding the trade-offs here. On the plus side, it massively saves time, shrinking production from hours or days down to literal minutes. It is wildly beginner-friendly. You need zero prior experience with those complicated timeline editors. It's super cost-effective since it's an all-in-one dashboard that replaces freelancers and pricey stock subscriptions, and it even offers multilingual support. But looking at the cons, there are absolutely customization limits. Fine-tuning precise frame-by-frame edits can be pretty clunky. If you rely too heavily on basic prompts, you might end up with generic or repetitive stock media unless you swap it out manually. Also, since it's completely cloud-based, you absolutely need a strong internet connection. And lastly, to drop the watermarks and access the pro features, you will have to navigate a paid pricing structure. All right, let's roll up our sleeves and get into it. Section 4, step-by-step tutorial, going from prompt to publish. To get started, Step 1 is a breeze. Just go to invideo.io and sign up for a free account using your Google, Apple, or email login. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll immediately see Step 2. Right there in the center of your screen is a command prompt box asking, what would you like to create today? This right here is your blank canvas. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what a solid prompt looks like. Notice how incredibly specific it is? It doesn't just say, make a video about tea. No way. It says, create a 45-second Instagram reel about the top 3 health benefits of drinking green tea. Make the tone energetic and engaging, and use an American male voiceover. You're giving the AI the format, the topic, the exact tone, and the audio instructions all in one single go. After you type that, you just hit the Generate Video button. Now, before it does the heavy lifting, a pop-up window brings you to Step 3 where you configure some key parameters. You'll formally lock in the platform, say YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. You'll define your target audience, maybe fitness enthusiasts for our green tea example.
You select a look and feel, like cinematic or vibrant, and finalize that voiceover choice. Once you hit continue, the AI assembles the draft. Then in step 4, you can actually review the generated script in a text editor box. If you don't love a sentence, you literally just click and edit the text directly, exactly as if you were typing in a standard word processor. And that brings us to our final section, fine-tuning your masterpiece through conversational editing. Now, what's really interesting about this feature is how you interact with it. Instead of navigating some complex, multi-track timeline just to swap out a video clip, you interact with the software using everyday, natural language. In the edit command box, you literally just type, "Replace clip 3 with footage of a person meditating in a quiet room." The AI completely understands your request, scrubs through its millions of assets to find the right footage, and swaps it out perfectly in sync with the existing audio. And the exact same conversational magic applies to the audio. Want a completely different vibe? Just type a command like, switch background music to something more relaxing and acoustic. Boom. The AI handles the audio mixing instantly. You can also use this view to adjust pacing by trimming clips or even tweaking text overlay timings right there on the screen. It's remarkably intuitive. Let's move to the end and see how this builds into the final step, export and download. Once you're completely satisfied with how everything looks and sounds, you click Export in the top right corner. You'll choose your resolution, either 1080p or all the way up to 4K, and keep in mind, this is where your subscription tier determines if there are watermarks or not. Click Continue, let those cloud servers render the file, and then simply hit Download to save the MP4 directly to your computer or phone. So we've covered the what, the why, and the how of InVideo AI based on our source guide. By essentially turning video creation into a text-based chat, those old barriers to entry have practically vanished. So I'm going to leave you with this question to chew on. Now that generating high-quality content is as simple as typing a well-crafted prompt, how will conversational AI change your own strategy? Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and keep exploring.